Hey y'all, no, it's gonna be so difficult. It's gonna be so hard. I suck at making YouTube videos, but I'm gonna try. So what we're doing today is I'm going to try to make bubbles for the cauldron that I picked up from At Home. That's a store out here in Houston. I don't know if it's everywhere. They're $29.99 and it comes with a little stand. So I got the cauldron. I got some plastic and glass ornaments from Hobby Lobby, the iridescent ones. They're 40% off this week. They're $7.99 for these, $6.99 for the smaller ones, and $8.99 for the medium ones. Picked up some twinkle lights, some green twinkle lights from Amazon. I'll put the link down below for you guys. So for the base, I was going to fill the cauldron to make it full so the bulbs sit on top, but I picked this up from the dollar spot at Target during Christmas time. It's like a little hanger, but it fits perfect into the top of this cauldron. Look at that. So I'm going to use that as the base and hot glue everything to this, and that way when I'm done using it, I can just take it out and store it. All right, so let's get started. So we'll take this out. I'm going to remove the stand and put this down here. I'm going to take all the bulbs out, boxes. So these are pretty good size for the base. I think I should have enough. I have 12. If I don't have enough, I'm gonna have to go back and buy some more of these, but I think this should be fine. And what we're gonna do is take these little metal pieces off. They just pop out, just like that. I'm gonna keep them just in case we need them, maybe for something. I have no clue what I'm doing. Okay, I'm figuring this out just as much as you're gonna be figuring this out. I'm just playing around with it. We'll see what happens. Okay. All right, so I have all the metal pieces off of these. So we're gonna get these. I'm just gonna throw these in here for right now. Because I want to take this piece right here. I should have lowered the camera a little bit, but hopefully y'all can see that. So I'm going to take this piece, which is going to go on top, and I have some batting that I'm going to try to make it look like it's bubbling a little bit from the bottom, like the foam. So let's see. I'm going to hot glue this down if I think this is going to look good. So we'll see. Put that on there, and then put this right here. Oh yeah, I think that's gonna look awesome. Okay, all right, that's what we're gonna do. We'll go ahead and hot glue this down. So I already have my hot glue already heated up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just get some on here. And just putting it all over the place. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'll glue down whatever I have to after this. So we're going to take that piece I just had and just put that on here. And be careful you don't burn yourself. So that's looking pretty good. And like I said, we're going to go back in here and just glue down whatever pieces we have to. I'm going to get this all the way down to the end, like it's coming over a little bit. And then I'm going to start gluing the base on here, the bulbs. Man, it's hot. It's popping. Y'all hear that? This batting you can pick up from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's. Well, well, maybe not Michael's. Maybe Michael's. Michael's might have this. Okay, let's see how that's looking. Get some right here. Okay, I think that's good. Whoa, let's get that off. All right, so that's what this looks like. So now, because I want to string these lights in there as well, so I'm not sure if I should do that before or after. I might do it after. But these are some LED lights that I picked up from Amazon, and they're green. Now see that? So it's going to look like they're glowing and kind of smoking a little bit. So I want to incorporate those. Let me get this turned off. It comes with a remote. All right, there we go. So I might do that last. So now, time for these guys. So I don't want this part showing. So when I'm gluing this down, I'm just going to put them down like that. Like hot glue them down like that. Or I might do them to the side. That way we can put some lights in them. Yeah, we're going to do it to the side, not down. How about that? Kind of down, but open to where we can put some lights in it if we want. All right, here's the first one. I want to kind of get this on the board. Is there a seam on here? Yes, right here. So we're going to do the back right here. Get some hot glue on there. Just like that. And hot glue it down. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Okay, that looks awesome. Okay. I'm gonna get the base down onto the board because I don't want it just to sit on top like that, because it might just pull at the batting. So I'm just putting a little hole where I want it to go, and then I'm just gonna get it down with some glue. I hope this turns out well. So we're just going to hold these down just like that until they get stuck to the bottom. Okay. Let's get another one right here. Uh-oh. Left one of the little metal pieces on here. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get all of these glued down, and I'll be right back. Now that I have the first row of bulbs secured on here, I think I'm going to take my lights. I unraveled a bit of it. I'm going to fold a piece of it just like this. I want to keep my battery pack out, so I'm going to put it to the side. And then I'm going to insert just a few lights into each bulb. Let me see if I can show y'all this. Just insert a few into each, just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing, fold a piece, make sure it's long enough to fit, to come around and then fit into another bulb, just like that. Grab some more. You're gonna have some popping out just like this, which is fine. So this is not long enough, so I need to make this a little bit longer and then fit this into here. So I'm gonna do that all the way around. Okay, I have all of the lights inside the bulbs. I wanna try this out real quick and see what it looks like. Let me turn the lights off. All right, y'all ready? Put it on 2. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's gonna look pretty awesome. I can't wait to finish this. All right, now I'm gonna start stacking some more bulbs and then draping some. down the side of the cauldron. So now, just take this price tag off, and I'm gonna put this on top of the cauldron and start assembling it on top of here. I want this to hang off to the side. We're gonna put this on top, just like that. It already looks so cute. Oh my goodness. All right, and I love that it's not attached to the cauldron, so we can just take this apart to store it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some more bulbs on top. These, I have a few big ones left, and then we're gonna start adding some small ones to it. Oh, make sure you get this exactly where you want it because they melt into each other. So I think I'm gonna put this one right here, like that. Yeah, make sure you get it exactly where you want it. Uh-oh, running out of glue. I grab some more glue stick. Oh yeah, there's no coming back from this. Once they're glued to each other, you're done. So just make sure you get it where you want it. And like I said, I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just playing around with this. I think I'm gonna do one right here. Okay, and then connect it right there. All right, that looks pretty awesome. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the smaller ones and just have medium and small ones coming down off the side and just fill this area in. Let me open this up real quick. So now I have all of the larger bulbs in place. I have the lights inside of all of the larger ones. Now I'm gonna start adding the medium ones, but I don't think I'm gonna put the lights in these. I'm just gonna drape the lights in between, and then that way I can just hide this part right here that's open. So now I'm just going to place them. Hopefully the glass doesn't break once it hits the hot glue. Ooh. Yeah, we're good. All right, there's one. All right, I have the cauldron facing me because this is going to be my front. So just so I can see what I'm doing and where I want to place things. I think I want that one right here. So you're just gonna watch, you know, eyeball it and see where you want your bulbs to be. Get another medium one up here. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. What do I want to do? I want to add some lights underneath them a little bit before I put this down. Just like that. Perfect. Okay. I'm just gonna hot glue this one in place. Gosh, that is so cute already. All right, I'm gonna put one right here in the front. So y'all let me know if y'all try this. I mean, some of y'all said that y'all found some bulbs at the Dollar Tree, and then Joann's has a big, humongous one. I don't know how much it is for theirs. Like I said, some of these are plastic, some are glass. Let me get the lights down underneath that one. I'm gonna do a close-up when I'm done and show y'all what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. And it's staying on pretty quick. I mean, pretty awesome. Like, it just comes off, see? So that's gonna be really nice. All right, I'm gonna finish gluing on the medium ones and I'll be right back. Here's what I have so far. I definitely have to go back to the store and buy some more ornaments because I need a lot more mediums, some smalls. Might even get a few more large ones because I want them to drape down off the side of the cauldron. And then also I want to make a fire, something that looks like a fire at the bottom, which I think is going to be super cute. So let's see how that looks. Turn this on. How do you turn it on? Come on. Up. There we go. Look how cute. So I went ahead and added some small ones right here. I don't know if y'all can see them. The medium ones. That's going to be so cute once it's done. And then draping down the sides. Oh my gosh. All right, there's going to be a part 2, guys. Sorry.